Sulit bang magmarinduque? Tingnan natin. Route quality. Marinduque is all about relaxed riding. Expect long coastal roads, rolling hills, and enough curves to keep things interesting. Yun lang, may mga lubak-lubak sections on the main road. Hindi mo mamamaximize yung pace dahil iiwas ka talaga. Hindi technical ang mga mountain passes. Pero ito yung klase ng ride na pwede mong i-enjoy buong araw nang hindi napapagod. Less stress, more riding. Route quality score, 7.5. Scenery. Hanep ang tanawin. Almost every hour, you'll find yourself riding beside the coast, overlooking the beach, fishing villages, and open sea views. Hindi to dramatic mountain scenery. But for island riding, ang hirap pantayan ng Marinduque. Scenery score, 9. Accessibility and traffic. Getting here takes a little more effort. Kailangan mo sumakay ng ferry. So hindi siya spontaneous day ride tulad ng Marilake. But once you're in the island, sobrang sulit. Traffic, non-existent. Parang buong island, playground ng mga riders. Accessibility and traffic, 8. Food and stopover. Very nice. Madami ang mga sikat at solid na mga resto sa Google. Check mo in advance at hindi ka maliligaw. Local food, fresh seafood, and authentic island hospitality. Maraming simple stop na perfect magpahinga, kumain at enjoy ang view. Food and stopover is an 8.5. Value. Add sa gastos ang Roro kaya bawas sa score yan. Yung pagkain, mura. 65 pesos lang ang beer sa Paktoy White Beach in your face BGC. For what you spend on fuel, food, accommodation, and ferry fare, Marinduque offers a lot. You'll get the entire island to explore amazing roads, beautiful sceneries, and a ride experience that's very different from mainland Luzon. Value is 8. Overall score ng Marinduque is 8. Marinduque won't give you the adrenaline rush of a hardcore mountain pass. But if you're looking for one of the best island loops in the Philippines, one where the roads are relaxing, the views are endless, and the pace is slower, Marinduque deserves a spot on the very rider's bucket list.